All right, good morning, YouTube. What is going on? Bullish Bears Kevin here with another live stream for you guys. Today we're just going to be going over NASDAQ and S&P 500. I do have my equities with me as well, always keeping an eye on those. Trick I wanted to go over with you guys is this weighted index trick on Thinkorswim. Now, TradingView has it too, but what it is, and I'll try to figure out again how to do it on TradingView. I thought I had it. I'll take a look. But basically, it adds the symbols together. So it's 7.25 stock of Apple plus 5.86 stock of Microsoft plus 3.32 stock of Amazon. Now, you could change however many stock you want, and you change that to be equivalent to how much it's weighted on ES or how much is weighted on NASDAQ. This one is for ES. And basically, it's those main stocks, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Google, and it shows how their buying or selling pressure is. So if you're trading something like the NASDAQ or ES, you could use this symbol to show the pressure of those leading stocks. Let's see if I do have it over here. Yeah, I do. I have it right here. Nice. Oh, it's
Evan, did you just
delayed.
build this?
No, it's something a buddy showed me a while ago.
I was thinking the same. I said, I need an indicator that basically tells me what direction all these major stocks in NASDAQ are doing. Um, and then give me an assessment on plus or negative, going up or going down. That would really help.
Yeah, man, for sure. Definitely, I would use that. I'd 100% use that. Feels like we're going to want a bit of a push higher here this morning. I'm not going to take any trades yet, not part of the plan. Just going to, ooh, nice drop. Nice drop. I'm just going to sort of wait, stay patient, right? Maybe we'll see how we react to this demand zone. Volume building up. I like that volume that's building. Taking a look at the equities real quick. Equities, they gapped down on that weighted indice. And if we check our watch list, another trick, right, with our watch list is to check for the relative strength, to check for the change percentage. Whatever has the biggest change percentages are the strongest movers. Tesla had a strong gap down of $7, so that's the strongest mover to the downside. A lot of equities gap down, so, right, we're going to see that on NASDAQ's probably going to feel that. Apple with some strong selling. Microsoft with a nice pop along with Meta. Yeah, and I'm staying patient here. I'm not taking any trades. I only trade at my zones and at my levels. We do have this area of interest that I'd maybe consider, but I'm staying patient. Microsoft looks like it wants to fill its gap. It also created about a $2 gap since its close from yesterday to today. Looks like Meta's right about to close that gap, about 50 cents away. Tesla's got some room to go, but all the stocks right now except Apple are green on the 5-minute candle on equities. So keep an eye on that. Be careful.
Hey, where can I get that indicator of the summary of the major stocks in NQ? Has that been built as well yet?
So do you on what, Trading View or Trade of it?
I'm
Thinkorswim.
using Trading View.
Trading View. You're gonna want to. I'll copy and paste it if it'll let me. Let's see.
Oh, I thought you just had that on Toss. You have that on TradingView?
I have it on TradingView too. The only thing is I don't have that data on TradingView, so it's delayed on here. Wait, is it? Doesn't look like it's delayed right now. No, it's not delayed. That's dope. That's dope. Yeah, I'll share it with you guys. I don't know if that's gonna work like that. Nice drop. Nice drop. Waiting now, because now we're at that demand zone. Let me know if. Oh, yeah, I don't know if that's gonna work. So the problem is, I'm trying to send it on Discord too for you guys, but the little star thing disappears because it tries to make the words look different. So I'm gonna send it, but I'm also gonna screenshot it. Waiting for a reaction off this demand zone. Not jumping the gun on any trades yet. Where's ES at? ES has time before it makes a demand zone too. And, you know, if I'm looking at the 30 minute looks very bearish. We created a supply zone up here if we want to continue to the downside. Let me get that screenshot in. So, pretty sure you don't need the whole bats thing. That's just unnecessary. But it's basically you put how much of the stock, so 7.25 Apple, a little star, then the ticker Apple, plus the plus sign, then 5.86 Microsoft, star symbol, Microsoft for the logo. I don't know why it has bats. That is the not brokerage, but that's what it's trading on, so that's why it has that there. It usually doesn't. Do not need that. Big drops, a lot of selling pressure. So if you just did this should work. I'm gonna screenshot that real quick for you. Throw that in here. See if I look that up, does that work? Yeah, that should work. Check that out. Look at that selling pressure.
Appreciate it.
Got you guys, got you. Oh, did I not copy it? Oh, I'm a ding dong. Oh, right, I couldn't paste it because of the little star things. Look at that sell-off, guys. Strong selling pressure. So that coming from the 30 minute. Right, boom, to that 15-minute demand zone. This was a zone that held yesterday. So now I'm being super patient. Let's get our VIX back up there.
No rush, Kevin, but if you have a chance to post your zones from today so I can look at your screens without them jumping around.
Yes, sure.
I wasn't able to watch you go through that, sorry.
No problem, no problem. Just head over to YouTube and hit that rewind. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, let's see. Yeah, sorry, I was a little late to the computer this morning, so I was not able to post them. NASDAQ, ES. Nice bounce back on ES. A lot of sellers just got trapped on that, but still have faith that buyers are not going to be able to hold us up. How we reacted on the 5 minute. I'm waiting for this 5 minute close. If we get something like what it looks like now, I'll take a long position. Stop loss at the candle low. Take profit at up here for almost a 3-to-1. Well, I guess my entry would be a bit better. Well, look at that. I'm like, I don't want to say nervous to trades today, but been killing it lately, so just stay patient. Fridays are very good. Fridays and Mondays are notorious for just being either choppy or stopping people out, and especially too because it's the first of the month. Gotta remember that's a psychological day. Happy December, everybody. Merry Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever you guys celebrate. Or don't. Look at that. Look at how it's reacting off that demand zone. That's crazy.
Kevin, we have PMI report releasing at 9:45.
Ah, good call, good call. Appreciate you. Good stuff. I know I just got in touch with Benzinga yesterday. I'm trying to set up some type of meeting for them and Bullish Bears. I want to see if they could set up some type of news bot in our Discord community for you guys. That would be pretty cool. Benzinga Bullish Bears collaboration. Apple's at a key level right now, sort of this 189.25, 189.50 area. So Apple's another thing that I'd watch for us to bounce here. Here we are on Apple. That's crazy. Look at this selling pressure, though. I don't know. I think bears might want to take it back lower. I'm staying patient. I'm not jumping the gun, but I would maybe consider a short position here. I don't know right now. I'm staying patient. But minute 42 left. It's crazy. The 5-second chart. I did the math. There's 60 candles, 65-second candles in one 5-minute chart. So me going through one candle, Jeremy's already got a screen full of candles. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. The sellers look pretty aggressive right now. But buyers are keep trying to step in. I'm staying patient. A video with a nice pop. Same with Tesla with a little bit of strength. Not taking any trades till I see some type of confirmation. Got a minute left, guys. I'll be back in a second. I'm just grabbing a drink. Stay hydrated. Are the Bulls winning yet? How's the 1 minute looking off that zone? Nice. What time is it? And you said 9:45 PMI?
Yeah, 9:45, and then I think they start, let's see.
I thought there was
other stuff.
news
There's something
too.
at 10 also.
I think 11 was the big one, isn't it?
Nice.
9:45 is PMI. 10 is ISM manufacturing. And then at 11, Powell starts talking.
Yeah, I sort of want to go long on this. I'll go light long on this guy. See if NASDAQ wants some continuation here.
Yeah.
No reason to not ride the trend for a moment, but just be careful with their stops. Nice little pop there. Entry points like right here. Stops gonna be like right here. Struggling. It is struggling because I gotta remember two people are trying to chase this back upwards. Only reason I got in is because equities do look strong right now too. Apple pop. Come on, Apple. Get that continuation on Apple and we're gonna run. Equities are chopping around a little bit. I might. Nice, nice, nice. All right. I'm going to get out of that right there, guys, into some strength. If it continues, so what? And the reason for that is because I didn't get in with the trade plan, right? I saw it reject this demand zone. I could have got in there. I did not. So I just wanted to scalp the next candle, catch about like 10 points, call that a day. Not call it a day, but on that trade. That was a clean, nice, quick scalp. That was really good. Let's see. I bought 917, sold 918, 928. So about 11 points NASDAQ. Not a huge move, but a scalp. Scalps are not meant to be huge moves. I like that, I like where ES is rejecting this VWAP right now, as well as staying in this area of interest. If we do get NASDAQ, I'd like NASDAQ to this VWAP area and area of interest for a short position, maybe. So a little bit of strength on Apple, chopping around right now, just staying patient. Waiting. Equities with some weakness. Be careful. That's why I scalped it. I wasn't sure, I wasn't certain, I wasn't getting in at my zone. And also, looking to the left, who's been winning, guys? Who has been winning this trend lately? Just the past 2-3 days. The Bears.
Go Bears.
The Bears.
Hey, Kevin, the area of interest that you're in on ES, that's something I deleted. What time frame was that?
I thought it was a 15 or a 1 hour. It is a... Not a 15, not a 1 hour. I like being wrong twice.
Well, or just tell me the date where it comes from so,
It's a 2
so I
hour.
can see that.
It's a
Okay,
2 hour
thanks.
from Monday. Some buying pressure. Nice. So yeah, Apple buying pressure. We might see some continuation on NASDAQ here. NVIDIA 2 popping. There you go, buyers. Good job, buyers. So proud of you. Look at that. Gave us a bull flag here, pop, bull flag here, trying to pop again. I'm really staying patient. I took my scalp. I'm not comfortable getting back in and try to scalp again, because when you're scalping, guys, you don't have a proper stop loss. It's not, like, you guys know how I trade. I like my supply demand zone. So if I'm trading supply and demand, I want to take more of a set and forget type of trade. I want to know where I'm entering, know where I'm stopping out, know where my target is. When I enter a scalp, it's tough because you don't know if you're going to pull back. You don't know where a proper stop would be. It's not the easiest. Alright, so we're coming up to this area of interest and this VWAP on NASDAQ. Definitely going to consider a short position here. What's going on, YouTube? You guys got any questions? Let me know. Don't forget to join our community, bullishbears.com, or you can check the link below. Join our Discord, join our live streams, get access to our courses, and so on. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button too. A lot of weakness on equities just stepped in. Like, a lot. Like, let's trap some buyers a lot. Alright, so I want one more push after this candle and a rejection. That would be ideal for me right now. Although that is a huge wick. Where are we at? 30 minute? 15 minute? Yeah, I don't know. Those buyers look crazy right now. I'm staying patient on this, but we'll see how we react to this area of interest in VIX of VWAP. Definitely considering a short position, but I'm gonna wait. If I get a short, it'll be like up here. I'm gonna grab a short up here, guys. I'm gonna start my my short trade really light. Stop loss above the area of interest. Buy stop. See, that way I know where my stop is. Actually, wait. I might want to enter closer to pre-market high. I'm going to try to enter near pre-market highs. Oh, no, pre-market highs is over here. I was going to say over here, because a lot of people are going to have their stops over here, so if people are stopping out there, I want to enter my trade there. Yeah, a lot of resistance. I'm going to look to start this short position. Part of me is telling me wait. Like, don't jump in this yet. Sort of even wait for the candle to close. Oh, no, there is a bit of a rejection. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Damn. Check out the 1 minute. What's the 1 minute doing? See if we want to pop back up a little bit. I do have a sell limit at 15,942 right now. Like right above, right in the area. I'm just really staying patient right now, because if equities do start to pop again, we will see a push higher, and I am ready to move my limit to like 15,950 and stop loss at 15,956. The reason for that is because if we take out these highs where people have their stops, it's going to be a nice liquidity grab before we reverse. Is it 9:45 yet? Yeah, 9:47. I guess it did not have that big of an impact. Next news. Next.
Good morning,
Nice
everyone.
Nice pop. Good morning. What's going on? What up? All right, buyers stepping in, guys. Be careful here. I'm staying patient on this. Apple's trying to pop. Equities are trying their best. I gotta start a short position. 15,941. It's where my short entry is right now. Apple's popping really strong right now, which is what's making me hesitant. Apple's pushing, dude. 2 minutes till this candle closes. What are we doing here? Let's see. Giving us a push, giving us a wick, giving us a pop. So I'm not going to chase it down here. I'm not going to hit sell limit and get filled down here. I'd much rather try to get filled near the top of the candle. Because, again, that will let me have a tighter stop loss. I want one more bit of a push up. I want this candle to close as a liquidity grab green basing candle. But we got 1 minute and 7 seconds left. Staying patient. I'll let you guys know if I answer. You guys got any plans for the weekend? No? Nothing? You guys better be studying then.
Yeah, right. Always studying.
Oh yes.
I'm getting my stuff ready. I fly down to Mexico on Tuesday.
Oh, nice.
But I'm taking all my computers. I'll be working down there too.
Good stuff, good stuff. Guys, look at this rejection off this area. Damn. We got more news at 10, right? Oh wait, I'll let this candle close, but 10 seconds? I don't know. Equity's looking ready to jump off.
ISM at 10 o'clock and then Powell at 11.
Gotcha. What's Powell talking about today? It's gonna be like the sky's blue and the stock market's gonna crash. Alright, so now we could try to fill a short position, I guess. I'm not getting in. Don't take that as a get in right now. But I missed my entry, which is definitely disappointing. Yeah, and they're the bears. I think we're gonna get that. Once I see Apple start to sell, I'll grab a short position. But by then, it's probably gonna be a little late to the party. But Apple's trying to pump. Damn, bears. Missed that entry, guys. Missed that 941 entry. Would have been really clean. Would have been 30 points up right now.
Oh, I got me some scalp that way down.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Apple popping right now. Not jumping in shorts yet. Apple really trying to go higher. Once Microsoft's rejecting, Apple's trying to go higher again. Apple pushing higher and higher. Another push on Apple higher, another push on Apple higher. I'm staying out of these shorts for a second. Damn. That's crazy. Without Apple going lower, Apple going higher. Without Apple going lower, we are... Nope. Big pop on Apple. We are not going lower. Damn, Apple. Okay. I'll keep like a short entry near that 941 on NASDAQ, like this area of interest in case we do push back into it. I am being careful though, because if all equities want to turn around here, we will make a run for this 15981 zone up here. So just a couple things to look out for. Couple setups. Alright, Apple, very funny. If Apple starts wicking here and pushing lower, I'll grab a short. Meta looks weak. Nvidia looks sort of strong, trying to hold. Damn. Apple pushing up, though. Let's see. Equity's weak. Be careful. Meta's weak. Selling off on Meta. Microsoft trying to go lower too. Wicking around, bouncing around though. Apple rejection. Alright, I'm going to start a short position there. Very tight stop. because I do want to see continuation. Minute 26 left. Let's see if we get a drop here.
You just made your decision because of the
Equities.
equities.
Yep. Absolutely. That's what I like about NASDAQ. NASDAQ has more of an effect from equities. ES does not. ES has all the other stuff, banks and stuff. Keeping a tight stop loss. It might stop me out. Might have been a, what's it called? Might have been ahead of myself on that entry.
Premature.
That's the word I was looking for. Premature entry. That's what she said. So let's see if we get a drop here. Apple's still trying to go higher, though. $30 left. Buying pressure is stepping back in. I am considering adding to this short position. Oh, nope, wait, Apple pop. Microsoft dropping. I'll add to the short right here. Couple buy stops in the area of interest. This isn't looking too good on the shorts, actually. Just waiting. It does look like we might want to pop. Because Apple looks good. Let's just wait. Nice. Maybe a little drop. Come on, keep that going. There we go. There we go. All right, all right. Nice drop right there. I'm going to look to scale out of just one contract at the bottom of this candle. If it gives us one more strong drop, I'll scale out of one contract and then two NASDAQ contracts right now, because it does look like buyers do want to step in and hold us. And rather not be in a losing trade, rather take some profits off. Oh, there's a bit of a strong drop. Come on, bears, take us away. Meta's weak, Microsoft's weak, but Apple's just trying to go higher. Damn motherfucking Apple. Yeah, going to keep a buy limit at the bottom of the current candle we're on, because it does look like buyers are going to want to try to... Oh, Microsoft popping. Be careful, guys. Be very careful. I'm not a fan of this right now. Give us a nasty drop. Let's trap these buyers. Doesn't want to. I'm not liking this trade at all. Let me scale out of one contract. Just one. Just one quick drop. Let me get out of one contract. It's like quick 10 point. Does not want to. There we go. No, it didn't fill it. Are you serious? Alright, out of one contract. Holding one contract. Didn't want to risk much on this trade. Apple's selling off pretty weak right now. I like that. What are we at today? Nice. 2:30 left in this 5 minute. Definitely considering exiting this in full. Let's check out these other time frames, guys. 30 minutes still looks bearish, though. So let's see where the 30 wants to bring us. I want this 5 to continue lower with strength, and then I think we're going to continue this trend lower. Nice drop. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go. Huge. Microsoft new low a day. Meta made a new low day. Is wicking its new low a day. Our equities. There we go, Apple. Nice push down on Apple. Look at this drop, guys. Great stuff. Good stuff. Nice, nice. Keep it going. Holy cow. Holy cow. Microsoft new low a day. Sort of want to get another short contract. I don't want to say disappointed that I scaled out of one because I was being cautious and protecting myself. But I do want to see continuation. We got a minute left on this 5-minute. Nice. Exactly what I wanted to see. Exactly what I wanted to see. I want us to close under this key level over here. Huge, huge, huge. I want to let this winner run. Come on, baby. Let's go, NASDAQ. Let's go, NASDAQ. Drop it, drop it, drop it. All right, I'm getting out. I'm getting all out. Exiting in full right there. Good stuff. Good stuff. Great stuff. Good trades, guys. Good trades. Love to see it. Oh, wait, wait, wait. Getting back in. Microsoft new low a day again. I will consider just stopping right out, though, because when you get back in like that, it gives you shit fills. 37. It's going to fill you up there at that 37. Oh, no. OBS disconnected, apparently. Dude, that was insane. And I hit, oh man, it's probably going to continue lowered, so I don't know. That was unfortunate, very unfortunate.
Wow, that's crazy.
That was nuts, dude. Yeah, that was so crazy that OBS crashed. The YouTube crashed.
They did that earlier in the week too.
Did it? Oh man.
Yeah, there was a huge wake. Some foolish news. I don't know what it was.
Yeah. I thought you meant the crash of OBS because of the market. I was gonna say no way. I mean, I sort of want to grab a short up here. This feels like a great area to go short, but that was too. That is very. It's aggravating. I didn't realize the time. I was not paying attention to the time. Paid for it. Paid for it tremendously. Let's see if we liquidity grab up here.
I think we're in a bull run right now.
Nah, I don't know, man. I'm thinking I don't know. I don't know right now. Yeah, they're the bulls. Yeah, I know. I'm tight that I grabbed that short and it just popped like that because of news. It's at like 600. I'm at like 140 now. It's alright, whatever. Bulls are gonna keep us going. Don't scalp this, guys. This is no way. No, bulls are gonna keep it going.
Well, we're getting to the pre-market high there.
Yep. Nice rejection. Yeah, let's trap those people that were chasing it, please. Gonna grab a short based off the 1 minute on NASDAQ. No, I'm not. I just can't. Forget the 1 minute. Oh, we had a 15-minute supply on NASDAQ up there too. Missed it. Damn, the market's really trying to play bad news Betty right now. I'm not having it. Sorry, market, but I'm gonna have to make my guap back. The guap don't stop. I'm grabbing a short there. Might not be the right move. Does not seem to be the right move. Let's wait. Yeah, they're the buyers again.
Was that NASDAQ wick a little too long for what the liquidity grab you were thinking about?
No, we'll see. I'm still in the short. Just a crap entry again. I don't know. I'm getting bad fills. I don't think it wants to go lower. It closed below the zone. Sort of makes me want to go bearish on it, but it's just bulls have been crazy. There's some weakness on Apple. I'll add. Nice. Okay. Alright. That makes up for it a little bit. No, drop. Let me get out. Let me get out. Alright, out of one contract. Still in these shorts. I'm gonna look to exit in full. See, I don't love losing money in the market, but I do love making it back. I look to exit this in full. Okay, not bad, not bad. Because Apple looks ready to pump. I think bulls want to run this one more time. Sort of want to go long on this just because of how strong Apple is. Oh, there's Nvidia's dropping. Microsoft new low a day. Alright. We'll see if bears want it. I'm staying patient. I'm back at that same price as that before. See, that's how we gotta trade, guys. We gotta really let our winners just like make our losses like not even relevant. Not even relevant. Okay, and by doing that, we have to size appropriately. Size the same size we do every trade. Have the same stops. Know what we're doing, how much we're risking, everything. Everything. Dude, why am I getting football notifications? It's 10 in the morning on a Friday. Because it's basketball. That's why. Did you guys see what Elon Musk said to Disney for not promoting on X anymore? He told Disney to go F yourself.
Yeah, that guy's too much, man.
It's, yeah. There comes a point where it's like, oh, cool, you know, you're an entrepreneur, you say what you want, do what you want. And then there comes a point where it's like, all right, let's be decent people now. But he's still cool. I like the idea of him, you know, like the billionaire concept, the changing the world with like the electronic cars and stuff. Yo, there's that green pop, really good stuff.
He's too unstable for me. And especially trading Tesla, that's crazy, man.
Yeah, Tesla's a nasty one to trade. Alright guys, I'm waiting on this candle to close. I'm looking for a hangman candle. I want a small green body and a long lower wick, and I'll take a short position. Ooh, Apple weakness. Nice. How are these other time frames looking? Now, if you look at the 1 hour, sort of looks like this is a basing candle on the 1 hour to go long on NASDAQ. So we're going to have to see. I'm going to have to be patient, my guys. Patience is key in the market. Patience is the way to make money. Oh, and it's the 1st, so any of you guys who are on Apex, you know, 1st through the 5th, you could request a payout. I'm probably going to shoot for mine. Today Friday? Okay, so today through Tuesday, so I'm probably going to try to... I'm thinking. Yeah, I'll probably trade Monday, and then Tuesday, and then request it on Tuesday. Microsoft, new low a day. Just dropping like a hotcake right now. Didn't get the close I was looking for. I'm not taking any trades right now. Looks good for shorts. Smells good for shorts. VIX doesn't look good for shorts. If Apple starts dumping, sure, but Apple's pumping. Chop, 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 chop. It's the chop shop. Let's see what we got. Let's make it green. Yeah, I mean, it does look like there's a good spot for sellers. I'm not jumping in any trades right now. Oh, yeah, there's Apple popping. See, it's, you know what it is, too? Apple's just been too strong today for me to hold short positions. If Apple was trending back lower, I'd say, great, let's do it. But Apple, I'll show you guys. Check this out. Microsoft pushing lower, making new lower days. Meta even was trying to make new lower days. Tesla, Apple, they're trying to push higher. They're just pushing higher. Apple did not have a gap to fill really from pre-market, so it's trying to push higher, new high a day. Tesla too, but it's slow chops higher, so it does tell me that if there is a chance, there is still a chance that sellers step in. We're wicking off that area of interest on NASDAQ right now. Hey guys, I've been thinking, should I put NASDAQ on the left side and ES on the right side since I trade NASDAQ?
I thought about that because the ES is a little cleaner looking over there.
Yeah.
What's with the green smiley face?
What was that?
What's with the green smiley face?
What green smiley face? There's a red smiley face.
Oh, now it's red.
I don't know. I was playing with the stickers because the market was chopping. So would maybe consider a short position here, but like stop loss there, take profit down here. I just don't trust it. Bulls have been too. Oh, weakness on Apple. I'll grab one short. We'll try it out. We'll dip our toe in the water. Nope, Apple too strong. The rest of the equities just want to go lower. Minute 50 left. ES a little bit of weakness too. What's the VIX doing? VIX is having trouble. We're having trouble going lower. We're having trouble going higher. A lot of trouble. I feel like we're playing a board game right now. Minute 30 left in the 5 minute. I'm really staying patient for this candle to close. Gotta look at the 15 too. Oh, nice push. Nice push, nice push. Bad boy, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when the stocks come through? Nice. Nice rejection on Apple too. Nice. Let's go, guys. Holy cow. Wow, okay. Huge. Do we want to finally continue now? No way. Huge, guys, huge. Keep this going. Let's go. Let's go. All right, I'm going to get all out there into strength, guys, because we have been wicking. We've been chopping, so the odds of us trending now are slim. We are, but the odds were not in our favor. We had a great entry on that, but I had to lock in those gains. That was money. That was clean. Damn, that's crazy. That is crazy, man. I've been killing it lately. Hope you guys are killing it with me.
I'm having fun.
Me too, man. Me too. That is for sure, dude. I think we're gonna continue. Yo.
What's the reason you said we weren't gonna trend? Probably.
Well, I was just saying just before. So if we look to the left right now, each candle, it's like 2 green, 1 red, 1 green, 1 red, 1 green, 1 red. And we're just chopping. We have a lot of upper wicks. We have a lot of lower wicks. We're struggling to find continuation in either direction. On NASDAQ. On ES, it was more of an uptrend. So because of that, it's hard for me to take a bearish move to trend lower without that momentum. ES does finally look like it wants to continue lower. So the trend would be bearish if we want to continue. But because of the previous candlestick action, I wanted to just lock in my gains in case we wanted to continue the chop. Because it is the first of the month. And
Kind
it
of
is
ranging
Friday.
since 9:40, no?
Exactly. Yup. Oh, huge drop. Look at that. So,
There
well,
she goes.
you could have been in that, blah, 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 is what it is. I was in that up here, caught it, got out down here. I missed 10 points, got 20. That's okay. Gotta take the profits. Look at those bears, man. Love those bears, dude. And that was only with one NASDAQ contract. I've been trying to trade with like 2 or 3 lately. I didn't want to double down because it was already in a good green profit. But all it is more to the pot. Nice. Yeah, you know what? I might stop.
You're not trading the micros anymore?
Nah.
Or today you're doing the fulls?
You know what it is? The past week or so, I was doing really good. Once I start hitting these hot streaks, what I'll do is I'll go from the micros to the minis. And I'll start with 1 mini a trade and then go to like 2 or 3 minis. But what I will do is I always start those mini trades with like 1 unless they're more high probability and tight stop loss. But if I do start to see more of a losing streak, because I'm already managing my risks or reward and my stop loss, I'm able to then go down to the micro, say, okay, let me catch my swag again. Let me figure this out again. And wow, look at these bears, guys. That's crazy. That's insane, dude. We had the shorts up there. Wow. Wow, that's nuts. But it happens. It happens. I ain't stressing because you know what it is too. I could have been thinking we're going to go long here because we're making these higher lows, and I could have been stopped out and crushed. So I was in the right trade, took a nice trade, just took profits a little early. Yeah, equities are weak. See the weighted indices are down here, right? Look at that.
I'm starting to take the attitude of, even if it's just like to make good money for living in Mexico, it's so little. It's like with one of these Apex things, if I could just make $100 a day on a $50,000 account, they would let me do that, right? If I was just super careful.
Don't know. What do you mean? Have you made how much a day with the Apex account?
I mean, like if I was just targeting with a $50,000 account, a couple $100 average a day, like just keep my gains, what I'm trying to make very low,
right?
Especially here in the beginning, to be careful of not ever taking any significant losses. But
right.
it's like I don't need to make that much money.
Yeah, you could. Yeah. I mean, you could do that, but I mean, you got to remember too, though, when we're trading is the most compoundable business out there. What you could do with 1 contract, you could do with 10 contracts. What you could do with $100, you could do with $1,000. It's all about sizing. So once you get consistent with keeping your losses at $200 and your winners at $400 to $600, And you do these Apex accounts because you're not putting that much money into them. You're only doing like a couple hundred if you want to do the bigger accounts. You could start duplicating the accounts, copying the accounts, and really, risk 2,000 to make 6,000 per trade, and then take like 2 or 3 good setups a week. And I mean, you're taking 3 or 4 or 5 good setups a week with 6,000 being your profit on those trades, and you're looking at 24K a week. It's the way I see it is, don't think of it as, oh well, I just have to make. I could just make. You can make with the stock market. The opportunities are endless. It's all your perspective. It's all how you perceive it. It's all how nice pop. Look at those bulls. That's crazy. It's all how
So
you.
what's been happening to me is that I've been trying to not even put stop losses, just a mental one.
Yeah.
But I don't have the discipline to get out, like
Follow it.
I'll add down or whatever you call that.
Right. Right.
And so I've just been bombing. So recently I took the perspective of why not just refuse to have any significant losses at all, and getting out of trades much quicker and setting the stop loss to break even as soon as I can. You know what I mean? As soon as I can make $10, I'm good. You know what I mean? And not risking hardly anything.
Right. Go Bulls. Bulls are gonna take this. Yeah, no, I get what you're saying. What I would recommend to you then is, are you trading on TradeOvate or TradingView?
TradeOvate. I got into TradingView one time and I found it really confused. I should watch some videos and figure it out.
All right. With
Hey,
actually,
are you looking to get shorts up here, or now that it's coming, or you think you're just out right now?
I'm looking to get a long over here. What are you talking about, shorts? No, I'm just kidding. I'm probably not gonna take any. I do actually want to go long here, but I'm not going to because Bears have been winning. But I'm sort of just sitting on my hands right now.
Oh, okay. So what's the reasoning for thinking going long?
Because of the 1 hour demand that we're in, because that's a new demand zone that hasn't been broken, and the big candle we just had on the 5 minute, this big long lower wick. When we look at wicks, we have to realize at some point this wick was a full candle, and people saw that as strong selling pressure and were chasing this thing lower. But then we bounced back, so the people who were chasing it lower down here are all now trapped in a short position, waiting for it to come back down to break even, or waiting for it to stop them out to fuel a move back higher. So because there's so many trapped in there and it's a demand zone, there's a chance of us going back higher. We also have Apple was making that new highs. It did not make a new high a day yet, but it has been relatively stronger than the other stocks. But that's my reasoning. Just because it's my reasoning doesn't mean it's going to play out.
Yeah, I
But
understand that. So that's a new demand zone. Is I see. Okay.
yeah, this 1 hour right here, made yesterday. Apple with some strong weakness right now. Strong weakness. That's really funny. And, if we look at our relative strength watch list, we could see what was stronger, what was moving the strongest to the downside. We see our equities up. We see Microsoft was just making these new low of days since 9:55 today, up until 10:15. So for about 20-30 minutes, Microsoft has been making new low of days, while Apple was trying its best to go higher. So that's what was also keeping me bearish on these moves. I think I'm going to cash out on that Apex account. There's just 4 bands, but it's like a smaller one. I don't want to grow it too crazy. I don't know. We'll see. Next week, I'm going to try to pass like 2 or 3 more. And then trade some of them with like 3 contracts, some of them with 2 contracts. Trade each one differently. That's the whole thing too, guys. If you're looking to become consistent with trading and not looking to have much risk or capital at risk, do these Apex accounts, because if you could be a profitable trader with real money, you could do an Apex account. Apex accounts are not difficult. They have the BS rules of the consistency rules and stuff, but like if you take a day off, they're not going to be like, oh, you took a day off, you can't trade anymore with us. If you make 100 one day and then 1,000 the next day, they're not gonna be like, oh, yes, you can't take that money out. They just want to see that you're not just trading news, that you're not just YOLOing accounts. If you're not doing that, you're fine. Trade your strategy as you can. Grow the account small and consistently. But then when you get into a funded account and have more cushion, you could really grow it. And when you have more cushion, you could start adding contracts. And then when you start getting more funded accounts, you could trade those funded accounts differently, because then you have backups, right? You're able to say, okay, well, if this messes up, I have this backup right here, right? If I blow this, that way also it gives you more of a mental, okay, I could take a cool, calm, collective. I don't need to be stressing over this, you know? And that helps us take better trades too, because when we're not stressing, we're able to think more clearly. Look at these bears. Bears don't cares. 15 minutes going down, down, down. I'm staying patient. I'm not taking any trades, but it does look like bears want to continue here. Damn, I really want to take this because I wanted more on the payout, but part of me is just like, take it, fund another one, and then take that one. But I'll wait for a pullback, and on another account I'll grab some shorts. Market's like, what pullback? What pullback? Why would I pull back? Why would I pull back when I could just drop way lower? It's crazy we were in short positions up here. If I let that run, that would have been a really nice trade. It's alright. You know why? Because I'm going to journal it. I'm going to learn from it. And I'm going to make sure that next time I do better. Because my first take profit was here, and I didn't even take it there. I took out right here. But I had my reasonings because it looked like it was ranging. But I do have to remember, too, after we're done ranging, we have to get some type of move out of that range. Really nice stuff. Really good stuff. And that would have been a 4-1, 5-1 but at this point. But damn, that would have been really nice. Is what it is.
New lows. Let's see if we can hit those other demand zones, no?
Yeah, maybe. Damn, 60 points. We're chilling. And look, now I got that weighted thing down here. Boeing is the only positive stock today.
What are you talking about? Weighted thing?
The weighted indice, the weighted ticker, the Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Google. I don't have Meta in here.
Oh, okay.
I should get Meta in there. I love Meta. I love Meta, and Microsoft and Apple are like my top 3 when trading NASDAQ. Because I've noticed a lot of times Tesla will give like really weird or false signals. And sometimes NVIDIA will too, but NVIDIA tends to follow. Alright, let's see if we hold the zone. This is, oh look, we got divergence too on NASDAQ and ES. NASDAQ made a new low a day in demand. ES made a higher low. So we're just waiting on this. 2:30 left. I'm going to let this candle close.
Yeah, so we wicked off that demand zone twice, right?
Yep. Once this morning and then once again right now. But let's see if we want to hold it or break right through it. But we do have divergence. ES is holding its previous lows. NASDAQ is breaking its previous lows.
The more time a demand zone is tested, do you think it's less?
Yeah, so exactly. The more a demand zone or a supply zone is used, the more liquidity is drawn from it, making it weaker. However, just because it has been used once doesn't mean it can't be used again, you know? But it is something to note, like, okay, this demand zone was used 2 times, I'm not going to go so heavy in this. And on the flip side, this demand zone was formed really nicely, and it hasn't been used, and it's about to be used the first time. Let me prepare for it. Yeah, Apple with the bounce. All right, maybe. I'm thinking on this, guys, because I'm. I'll wait. We got a minute left. This thing has to bounce all the way back up there in this last minute. If it doesn't, it's not happening. I do sort of want to try along here if we want to bounce, but I'm not going to. I'm staying disciplined, guys. Gotta stay disciplined. Apple trying to go higher. Equities are just like weak though. 30 seconds. It's not bouncing. Nice trades today. Nice trades today. Nice trades this week. I think I did. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Hold up, guys. Alright, guys, I'll be back in a second. But yeah, no long positions on that. Damn, I am back, guys. Look at this bear move. Holy cow. That's crazy that we were in this up here. That is something, man. Yeah, I hope you guys ate today too and ate this week. Oh, that's what I was doing. I was checking what my report for this week. Alright, not bad. 48% win rate. $2,000 because I only traded today and like yesterday. So I'll take it. I'll take it, ladies and gents. Still got that divergence going, so I'm staying patient. Can you guys hear me? Am I back up? I think I am. Yeah, I'm good.
There was huge divergence between the two yesterday, no? Nasdaq's been way weaker.
Yesterday? Let's see. Where? In the morning?
Between like the morning highs and then the afternoon highs.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Yup. Absolutely. Nasdaq's definitely been a bit weaker. Gotta remember, too, all these shorts, let's see if we want to squeeze. I'm waiting. What I might do, might do micros on this account for a little bit, grow it a little more. Now, unless this turns into a drop-based drop, which if that's the case, I'm going to take it short on the next candle. Let's see. Nice bulls. Oh, maybe we get an entry at this demand zone, that 1 hour. I think it's broken now. Like an entry right there. Apple pretty strong. Equity's sort of trying to turn it around. I'm gonna wait. See if we do want to reject around here. I do want to see. No, that demand zone wasn't broken actually. So I'm gonna stay patient. Let it close. Engulfing on the 5-minute could continue. I'm not taking any trades. I might go long, but I'm not taking any trades yet. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna request this payout, empty this account, and then start a few new ones. And that's how we gotta use these accounts too, guys. Get a little consistent, bag a few grand, and just cash it out. And that's why also it's good to have multiple accounts, so when you're cashing one out, you could trade with the other.
Kevin, I haven't gotten that far with that yet, but I'm just curious, when I do, when you say cash out, you're going to get all the money out that you can from that account and leave it back with the same drawdown stop loss that you had?
Yep.
Or
Yep,
how does that work?
exactly. So it's at like, this one's at 56,700, and you gotta leave it at like 52,600. So your stop loss is at 50,100. So it's like a $2,500 stop loss again. But I mean, what I could do is just keep trading it, because now my cushion is over $6,800. I could keep trading this one and just start a new one, but I'd rather just pay it out and just pass some new ones as well, because I'm still gonna have this account. But when you request a payout, it does take some time to process, and the money looks like it's still in your account. So if you lose it and it processes, they're just gonna deny your payment. So I'd rather have multiple accounts. So once I do request a payout, I could leave that account alone for a while. You know what I'm saying? Until it goes through, then trade back on it. Kevin, I'm not up to that yet. Could you slow your roll?
It's coming though.
It
I
is.
got a couple of Apex accounts now, and one is up over 1,000,
Hey,
the
good stuff.
50,000. But I'm playing with another one that I went negative on today, so I'm trying to get it back up to practice before I trade the other one that's really positive.
All right,
But I've
man.
only had them a couple days.
All right, good stuff. Take it slow, take it easy. Small trades, high probability trades, trade the plan. You know, just take it slow. No reason to try to pass an eval in one trade.
It sure would be cool to be able to get paid like by the end of the year, though. That would be awesome.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. I mean, I think now if you were starting an account, it's a little too late because of the whole process and everything. But you could, if you passed it this month, you could get paid out by next month.
Yeah, or at least start making money next year as soon as possible. That's the idea.
That's right. That's right. You got it, man. You got it. What's it called? But yeah. Yeah, boy. I'm staying patient on this. I'm really considering. I was considering a long position before to scalp this, but now I'm sort of considering a short position, depending on how this candle closes. Let's check the other time frames.
Yeah, this candle just wicked off of the low of Globex.
Nice. Yeah, I'm considering a short position up here. I'm staying patient on the entry. Yeah, I'm gonna start a light position. I'm gonna take micros on this, and the reason I'm going light is because I don't want to fumble the bag. Give us a push higher. Let me fill a bunch of micros. When I say a bunch, I mean like 5 or 10. Like I'll probably start with 5 and then go to 10. Oh, bears. Giving me no chance to enter. One more little push up. One more little push up. Really? Really, bears? If Apple pushes lower here, I'll definitely take some shorts. Apple pushing higher. Being patient. Starting a short position, very light. Adding. Bear time. Let's go, bears. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Put some money in my pocket. Let me lock it. Before I say fuck it. Haha. Gotta have fun when you trade. Just like any job, it could get boring. And to be honest, you want trading to be boring. That means you're doing it right. You don't want to be like on the edge of your seat. It's not how we do it.
I want it to be boring while you entertain me.
Perfect. Me too. Do I want to scalp this? Do I really want to exit this? Or do I want to hold this if bears want to continue? I guess I'll hold it. Come on, bears, give us that push. Apple nice and weak. Come on, NASDAQ. You know what, NASDAQ? I love you. Nice. Gonna look to scale out of a few contracts down there. Come on, give me that drop. Don't give me chop, give me drop. Damn. There we go, Apple. I like that move on Apple. Give us that continuation, NASDAQ. Struggling right now. It's struggling. Apple's trying to drop, but NASDAQ's struggling to go lower. Not a fan of that at all. Other equities are trying to bounce. Be careful. Yeah, I'm probably going to look to exit this position if we get one more drop like we did before. Shit. Is she... Let's see. Staying in it. Microsoft trying to bounce. That's what's keeping us green right now. Staying in these. Minute 50 left. We're going to bounce. Buyers might step in here. Yep, there's some buying pressure. I need Microsoft to start rejecting here along with the other equities. Come on, Apple. Apple's trying to push us lower. Other equities are finally going higher. They've been at a disagreement all day. Gotta remember the divergence too. Not a fan of this trade anymore on these shorts. like at all. If Apple starts popping, I'm reversing this. Oh, yeah, there we go. It's a pop right there. I'm waiting. I'm not exiting up here. Not reversing up here either. That'd be crazy. I'm waiting. Things are staying strong. I'm gonna add a short on that, but it's not looking good on these shorts right now. Yeah, see that bulls want this. I'm gonna reverse that and take some longs, but very light size guys. Not trying to play with today's profits. Does look like bulls are ready to explode it here. Yo, my thing just spazzed out. What's going on? Damn, I shouldn't have chased those reverses. Still bullish, still patient. 3:30 left in this 5 minute. I want to see Apple continue higher. Equity's looking good to go higher. I'm not sure why we're failing. Oh, no, Microsoft and Meta pretty weak. Come on, Apple, pump that. It's like I don't feel like it. Damn, Apple's really playing with us right now. Equities are weak. Chopping around right now. Be so careful. Really need that strength on Apple's not following through right now. But we do have 2:30 in this 5 minute. It's plenty of time for it to push back up. Apple's trying its best to go higher. We keep
I got
failing
that
though.
out. The hourly on Nasdaq is just two huge wicks.
Yeah. That's funny. Bears keep stepping in. Ooh. Ooh, very disheartening. Staying patient. Feel like this could be a fake out though. Okay. I do like the bull pressure that ES is seeing right now. Need NASDAQ to start to follow suit. It's having trouble. There we go, NASDAQ.
Are you
There we
long
go,
right now?
Apple. Yeah, I'm long right now. Been long for a little bit. Not a little bit, but this candle that we're on, or previous candles where I reversed. There we go, ES with a little bit of a pump. Apple, come on, Apple, push that, push that. Dude, we're struggling, man. I hate that. Oh, 5 seconds too. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't like that for longs at all.
Would if that closes green, would that be a basing signal for going
Short.
bearish
Yeah.
on the hourly that I showed you?
Let me check. Give me 1 sec. Oh, God. Let me see. Give me 1 sec to just monitor this, because I do think we're going to go lower. The hourly. Yeah, if it closed green, it could be for sure.
And this hourly changeover is whenever the biggest news of the day comes with Powell, I think.
Okay. No way sellers fail to bring us lower here. Get out of here. Bro, I should have listened to myself and stopped trading before. Apple looks like it wants to go higher. This is ridiculous. Yeah, I don't know, guys. It looks like buyers want this. They're struggling, but it does look like they want it. The problem too with scalping is you like feel the need to reverse if if it starts flipping against you. When it starts flipping against you and you reverse it, then it starts going back. You're like double screwed.
Yes, it's strong there.
Yes is stronger right now. Yes, it is. Equities are weak as balls right now. Come on, give us that pop. This thing's a pain, guys.
Where's your break even at? Are you positive or no?
A little bit.
News in 6 minutes.
Thank you for the heads up. Yeah, this thing's gonna push right on there. Give me one more push
I say
up.
it pops. I say it pops and gives us a basing for the hourly for going bearish.
That'd be nice, because then I'd be able to get out of my longs. There we go, apple pop. Give us something. Give us something. He gave us something and it took it right back. I scaled out of most. Equity's just bouncing around right now. Hate that.
You and NASDAQ sound like a married couple.
Yo, right?
It's not that bad.
We are a married couple. NASDAQ will put a ring on my finger, guys. You just watch. How's that hourly looking, Godo? Did we close on the hourly yet? No, 5 minutes.
You're not planning on getting out of this before that, or you're gonna set your stops and hope that it goes up?
I'll be out of it.
Okay. 4.5 minutes, more or less.
Give us a break above these previous candle highs and I'll exit these contracts. Because that's going to be a stop hunt.
It's a huge doji right now, so it's just balancing right around the middle of that hourly.
Yeah. Yo, my mouse just
2 points red.
disconnected. Oh my god, that was so scary. There we go.
Green doji.
Bouncing.
Basing. Would you call that a doji, or you would call that a basing?
Same thing. Depending on context, usually same thing. It was just a nasty pop. A nasty pop. Apple popping. Like that. ES dropping. Don't like that. Equities chopping. Don't like that. And here we go downwards. There we go. Apple pumping. I like apple pumping. Always like apple pumping. I'll look to scale out of a few more contracts at 15,919 or 15,920 is probably a key psychological level. If we get up there. 3 minutes left, I think we will. Not liking it for the bulls. It looks like, yeah, I was gonna say.
I feel like there's resistance before that level that you're looking for, because it hasn't been up there for over half an hour.
Yeah, but because we haven't been up there, people are gonna have their stops there. You alright? And because they have their stops there, I think the market might want to stop hunt before we continue.
Yeah, I gotta start thinking like that.
Doesn't always work out. We got VWAP up there too, so it's like if we do make a push, 15-point push, I would like to be in that. Because we're also struggling. $2.12 left in this 5 minute.
2 minutes.
We have news. We have news at 11.
Yeah, Powell at 11.
Yeah, I should probably be out of this. I just feel like Powell doesn't really move the market like that unless it's FOMC.
Depends on what he says. One sentence from him, he's the big kahuna. One sentence from him can move the market.
That's true. God, I hate this chop right now. Just give me that pump. Just give me a pump and I'm out. Give me a pump and I'm out. It's like, here's your pump and it flips me off. Give me the pump and I'm out. Give me the pump and I'm out. I guess I'll try to scale out of one contract at the top of that wick, but might have missed that exit. Let's see. But if it does just want to pump and continue... Nope. 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 Stop hunted. Oh, let's see. I personally feel like we should see more of an uptrend from here. But Apple's really struggling. Damn. $25 seconds left. Need that pump right this second. Just a wild pump would be great right now. I have a take profit at the top of the candle. Uh-oh. Yep, I'm out. Jesus Christ. I don't like how this candle closed. It's such a bearish close. That's hard.
Damn, I was waiting for that too.
Oh, wait, no. Hold up. Damn it. That's super unfortunate. Super unfortunate. It was up a K today. These motherfuckers took it back. Damn.
Well, it's coming back.
I see that. Alright, Papa Pal. I think it goes back lower, though. I just don't trust that to go higher. Ooh, no Apple, though.
Chip in his teeth.
Yeah. I'll grab some shorts. I'll try to scalp it short. I think it goes lower. Nice. I'm all out. Nice scalp. Made it right back. Oh my god, Pal's playing with my emotions, guys. That's it. You know, it's crazy. I took a loss that was bigger than it should have been because of the news, and yet was able to make it back and then some in one trade because it was able to recognize what's going on, wait for that pullback back up. I knew that it wasn't going to continue to fly. I was looking at equities too.
Hey, Kevin.
That back down. Yes, sir.
That was with an Apex account. They don't. I mean, have you ever heard of anybody actually getting said you can't do what you just did?
No, I haven't.
Trading the news. No problems.
I have not. It's not so much like what I just did where I just scalped it a little bit because I stopped out and got back in. It's more of a like they'll get 10 contracts when the news hits on two separate
Apple new high day.
accounts. Ooh,
Oh, like
Apple
playing
new
a really
high.
Breaking out of an ascending triangle.
Let's go. Oh my god.
Over 190.50 psychological low.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. I'm glad I got it. All right, guys.
We can't underestimate Powell.
That's crazy, man. Love you, pal. Love you, pal. Pal's more of a father to me than. No, I'm just kidding. Yo, YouTube guys, appreciate you all.
Did he just say the opposite of what he just said, or like what was that?
All right, guys, I'm gonna cut you.